Now that we've finalized our product page, let's review the other pages in the funnel. I've already added the necessary steps, but let's take a closer look at each one. First, we have the checkout page. You can use our pre-made checkout forms to build yours and style them as you like. Make sure the input fields function correctly. Check the input types and settings thoroughly. Verify that required fields are properly marked as required to ensure users fill them out as needed. Also ensure placeholder text is visible and verify that each input field is clearly labeled. Make sure the Buy button's action is set to Process Checkout and its destination is configured to lead to the correct page. Next is the Upsell page, which is similar to the product page but with fewer sections. I've added a top bar to notify the customer that their order has been placed, followed by an offer banner to grab their attention. The product section is quite similar to the one on the product page, but with a key difference. There are two buttons. The first processes the upsell and leads to the thank you page, while the second directs to the downsell. Now, onto the downsell page, which is quite similar to the upsell page. The key difference here is that both buttons lead to the thank you page. Finally, we have the thank you page, the last step in the funnel. It includes a summary of the customer's order and a thank you message for their purchase. Before we move on to creating our generic pages, let's delve into an important aspect of template building, using the Smart Section feature. Smart Section help create consistent branding and improve the efficiency of your funnel building process. They also make it easier for your template users to edit and customize their pages. By utilizing Smart Sections, you can quickly update an element across multiple pages. This means that any change made to a Smart Section will automatically sync across all pages where that section is used. This feature ensures consistency and saves time, making the template more manageable and user-friendly. This feature can be utilized for any repeating sections across the pages in your funnel, such as FAQs, footers, reviews, and more. Now that we have our main template steps set, let's address any issues and ensure all pages are accounted for. It looks like some links are not yet connected to their corresponding pages. That's because these pages are not created yet. Let's create them now. These are known as generic pages. You can create them from this section. Make sure to apply the correct page type for each of them. And now that we have our generic pages ready, let's proceed to link them appropriately. Ensure that each link in your funnel directs to the correct generic page. Let's also ensure that the main buttons are correctly set. The navbar too. Final step. Let's verify that the visible if conditions are set correctly. Ensure that each element or section only appears when the relevant data or criteria are met. Let's now test the funnel on the storefront to ensure everything functions smoothly. Now that our funnel is working properly, we can confidently say it's ready to go. In the next 2 videos, we'll explore other types of funnels, including a digital product funnel and a cash-on-delivery one. See you then.